Okay, I'm here. I think I got everything working. Probably should change that text. Hello everyone. Alright, I think we got it. We might have got it. Okay. I'm currently deafened right now in a call because I'm kind of, well, waiting just to get the stream set up and stuff. But I think we're ready now, so I'm gonna undeafen so that way we can have superxzy in the stream. But first, before I do that, I do need to make a way for him to show up on the screen. So what I'll do is I will duplicate this. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. And I think I'm almost ready. I just have to drag something in so that way we can... Please work. There we go. We got him in the stream. Okay. I'm now ready to undeafen. Hello? I'm here.
Thank God.
Everyone can hear you, by the way. I was just setting up the stream first.
What?
I was setting up the stream, so that way,
Oh.
you know, so now you're there. You should be there soon. I know it's really delayed. What I might actually do is I'm going to put on headphones, so that way it's not echoing. No way, it's Rachel Rat. How's it going? Let me put on headphones real quick.
Did you hear my mic?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's capturing the right audio though. If it's not, then that's a problem. Yep, it's capturing it. Okay. Yay.
I'm gonna switch my thing here real quick.
Why is my mouse invisible? Okay.
Be right back.
Okay. So it looks like we've got everything set up. Hopefully. Maybe. Probably.
I'm back, Dumps.
Okay. Okay, I think I've made the peak setup. Got everything working, I think.
Peak? Why'd I say it like that, bro? Why'd I say that like that, bro?
Nah, bro, you're good. Okay, we got everything working. Yay! We can actually start now. I gotta check my messages first.
Fire.
and hope they weren't me being doxxed. Okay, let's choose.
Very good question, Toby.
I'm gonna choose any music besides this because I've been listening to this for way too long. Let me go to my playlist. You guys can't see anything right now because I'm doing this on my other monitor. Hold on. Let me close out of that.
Crazy. Because we're Sonic heroes.
Hey, that works. Okay, we got scratchypet.
Well,
It's been a while. Not gonna lie,
KinitoPET.
I kind of want to use light mode. This is
You
dangerous.
wanted to use what mode?
Light mode.
What's light mode?
What do you mean what's light mode? It's default scratch.
Oh yeah, the
Prepare
mode
your
where it
eyes.
takes your eyes out. Oh.
Prepare.
Bro, do that. Bro, we should paste the Ash baby meme on here whenever you turn into light mode. It's like, what the heck was that, man? Sonic Evil Adventures. What the freak?
Okay, we got it loaded. Yay! I got everything working. I think.
Yippee yo, yippee yeah.
My only hope is that the music isn't too loud.
I say as I blare the music.
There. Okay, we're officially full screened. It's been a while since I've showed you guys anything of scratchypet, at least compared to the last stream. So, right now, I will. Okay, just fixing my mic. Okay, right now I will actually show you what I have so far.
Yippee! But whenever I see that screen, all I can hear is the beat. Hey, it's Kirby. What's up, Kirby?
Hello.
Dums, you remember Kirby?
What do you mean? Do I remember Kirby? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on, give me a second. I have an idea. Oh, I didn't even think about that. I didn't even think about the other
Bro.
two. I haven't. I know one of their names was Sam, and the other one I don't
Martian Man,
remember.
Asparagus Girl. We love Asparagus Girl and Martian Man.
But
I
like,
just came up with those names for no reason.
but no, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Hold on, let me do something real quick.
He has a Braid Blast. Toggle the Jimmy Neutron animation thing.
Okay, cool. So now I will continue. So here we can change wallpaper, guys. It's so cool.
Wallpaper change.
What's different about this one is that you actually have to double click to open apps. Which
Fantastic.
I don't think people realize when I want to do this stream. There's a few things I want to do this stream with. Well, I never really answered Rachel Rat's question. I'm not sure for the other characters. I haven't even thought that far ahead. Um, I might make it so if you click an app too many times and it's not opening because you have to double click it, it might give you a message saying, "Hey, you have to double click to actually do that."
You have to double click it.
Yeah, like a little tutorial or something like that.
Excuse me from beer back.
Um, there's some Easter eggs in the game. There's plenty. I wanted to make this game pretty detailed. Sorry, I love the ball game, guys. Check your quote unquote messages. We got the credits. I thought these little text replacement and text to number converters, these were really useful. Like really useful. It was mostly for the browser. The number to text system or text to number system is actually for the cloud, and I'll demonstrate what that's for. Um, Firstly, you can search up anything now. Let's search up, I don't know, Scratch. Oh, whoopsie. Okay. Look at that. You can scroll. There's a limit to how much can show because clone count, because it's using clones for each like letter. So I had a limit to 3 options. But you can still see the stuff. I might put something down here to show like at least so it doesn't look so empty. But yeah, we got I don't know videos about Scratch. Let's go here. And wow, it looks like it's not actually coded. I'm not gonna lie, I've never tried opening more than one browser instance, which I just realized breaks it. So that's something I gotta fix. Before I continue demonstrating. Okay, when I start as clone. Oh wait, yeah, I need to clean up blocks. I cleaned up blocks with like normal Scratch earlier, so they're lined up all on the bottom. It looks bad. And hello? What? Wait, no. Are you telling me I literally can't do this anymore? No! Wait, I don't want them to be. Wait, okay. Never mind, they kind of got aligned on that side a little bit. So I think if I offset them a little bit, they'll get themselves a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So it's just a little bit of code. Just a little bit, guys. It's not that bad. Stuff I plan on adding in the future. Not sure. As I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making this for fun. I have no idea what to do with this game, which is why it's not out. Let's clone.
I'm back.
Hello.
Hello.
You good?
Sorry, I was dying.
Okay, so now when we started clone,
You're
where's the
creating what now?
where's the script that there it is. Okay. If clone equals 0.
Are you adding the websites?
I'm just making sure that when you try and reopen the game, it doesn't or not open the game, but open the browser, it doesn't completely break it.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, I can use X to skip the beginning intro because I don't want to go through it each time. Why every time I start a stream, I get so tired? Like, I could pass out right now, but I'm not going to.
Maybe you could make it. Maybe it could be stress.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't think so. See, look at that clone count. Really messing it up. There's a little too many letters on the screen right now.
One too many letters.
I'm gonna also have to fix that
Zoinks.
issue.
Zoink, Scoops. There's one too many letters.
Oh, so does the other one just close? Or well, that breaks. I guess maybe what I can instead do is, well, actually, let's do this, and then we can do um the task manager doesn't contain the browser
Task manager, delete that application over there.
and
It is
not.
taking up all of my CPU.
I made a little task manager function that handles what shows up on there. Okay, so now it should be able to open more than once. Okay, nice.
Dums, you should add a version of Clippy
Uh,
on the game.
I don't think
Well,
it
like,
got the memo. Well,
chat, I did get the memo, chat.
I don't.
Me,
But
when I said chat, there's actually a reason to say chat, and I just don't say chat randomly.
well, KinitoPET is scratchypet's based off of KinitoPET, and KinitoPET's based off of BonziBuddy, and BonziBuddy's based off of Clippy, or rather, it's just one of the Clippies that exist.
It's one of the computer pets that exist in the world.
Yeah, except Clippy
I
wasn't
love when
spyware.
BonziBuddy leaks my personal information online on the internet for everybody to see.
We love spyware around here.
We love spyware, and we love using it.
I love being doxxed. It's my favorite part
Me
of doing
when.
this. It says 166 blocks, and that's so wrong. Because when I go into the project,
166.
inside the project, it's 2,199. Um, and
Dubs, that's one too many. Dubs, I think that's one too many blocks.
just maybe.
Mr. Electric, send him to the principal office and get him expelled.
No. Okay.
Yeah.
Here's one of the fun features of this browser. If you don't know, the translate extension on Scratch does not allow translating swear words. If you try and translate them, what happens is they don't translate. They output nothing. So it could be used as a swear detection, basically being like whatever this text says, if the
When you say
translation
cuss word,
version.
it gets blocked.
Exactly. It'll output nothing, so we can just check if the translation equals nothing and the input wasn't nothing. And if that's true, that means they obviously said something bad. So, for example, if I were to say a swear and then search it up,
Freak.
nothing shows
There's
up.
gonna be nothing for freak.
And what's even better about this is I decided to do something. So if you're gonna play this yourself when it's out, I would like to make it very clear that if you do that, if you say swears in this browser, your name will be added to this site.
I think your name would probably be added to a hit list.
Searchleak.com, an archive of users who got detected by browser search filters, the bad apples on the internet. And as you can see, my friend
The
right
bad
here that's in the stream right here, yeah, he said a very naughty word in it. It's not very nice. In fact, it's so not nice. You're now kicked from the stream forever. You can't come back.
What the freak?
But like, I did that feature because I thought it'd be funny. Well, I gotta check something again.
The dark
Guys, we gotta
web.
the dark
Web where we get all the potions to turn into Among Us at 3 in the morning.
That's peak.
Bro, do you remember those 3 a.m. videos where it's like, I got this Among Us potion from the dark web?
There was also J Station, which was
J
great.
Station.
Yeah, that
We
was
hate
bad.
J Station. Yeah, I was young and I did not know any better. I thought J Station was cool. I don't know. There's
Oh yeah, I should probably show you guys what happens when you search up Scratch.
Hey, look, it's Hero.
Hello, Hero. Scratch is actually something you can go to. It currently is not interactable. So it's just a screenshot right now. However, I really need to make a back button for the browser because it's really annoying having to close it. Drinking the gay potion at 3 a.m. We kissed.
What?
Gone wrong.
You know what's actually funny? That is probably actually a real video.
Exactly. Hold on. I'm going to go on my other monitor.
And
I'm
I
gonna
bet you J Station made it or some other
probably
stuff.
not J Station. It's the other guy who freaking did the Among Us one. I don't remember. I'm not gonna lie. Do not remember the actual channel
Like-
name. I gotta search that up. There's no way that exists, right? Wait, it does. It is from J Station.
I have to leave.
Okay. See ya. There's no way. Hold on. Let me do something. Let me go back to this. Okay. Let me show you guys something. There is no way. There is actually no way. Hold on, let me just size this down. What? We kissed ordering gay pushing from the dark web at 3 a.m. There is no way. There's absolutely no way that that actually exists. And it was from J Station. That's peak. I forgot to pause the music earlier. That's actually funny. Okay, I'm back. So, okay, so we got Scratch, and we also got scratchypet's page. I actually finished this page. I think this is pretty finished. Scratchypet, your best friend forever. Take a second and make a friend for life. Scratchypet invites you to their wonderful It's Coffee Pasta. It's just from Bonzi. Wait, no, it's not from me. It was from the KinitoPET site. Okay, I can't spell. Yeah. It's just replaced the text with, instead of KinitoPET, it's scratchpet. Also, I don't know if you guys have realized, if you go to their like homepage now, they changed it. It looks so cool now. This looks awesome. Happy this game did so well though, because I mean it was really good. I liked it. Okay. Let me close this. So yeah, we don't have an actual KinitoPET coded yet. Sadly. Should we do that this stream? Like, should we try and actually code in scratchypet, and maybe I could post it this stream? Because if I could do that, that would be pretty awesome. Oh. Okay. Well, in my defense, you said bye, and I thought you were going, like, for good. Alright.
I ever say bye, that doesn't mean I'm leaving for good. Unless I say bye 5 times and then like stay for like the next 5 minutes and linger on. That's when I'm actually leaving.
Hey, I thought, like, yeah, I thought you were like just gone for good. That's why I left the call. Sorry.
It's fine. It's
Um.
fine.
Okay,
Because whatever happened to my Sonic character.
it's up there now. You just gotta give it a second. The stream has like a 20-second delay. Um. Let me actually check the stream.
I've been on the stream.
Bow, bow, bow. Also, Rachel wrote that's actually really good description. I would like to ask if I'm allowed to
Bro, why
use
is Kuro
that.
saying brother?
I would
That's
like
a
to
really
ask
good
if I'm
description.
allowed to use the thing you came up with. I'll credit you. Because that's kind of peak. That's kind of peak though.
Was kind of peak.
Look at the chat. They came up with their own like little description for scratchypet.
Oh, the YouTube chat.
Yeah, let's go. I could put it like down here and replace
Thumbs.
that text. Yeah.
What if at some point you actually turned the Scratch Cat into actual malware?
Why would I turn into actual malware?
Well, not malware, spyware. You know, it would be funny. It would be really funny if we
I
got
don't
an
know. I
actual
don't know
Scratch
about
Cat
that.
application. You could probably just like rework like a Bonzi Buddy thing into Scratch Cat. And if you don't want the spyware, it'll be fine. You can just remove the spyware, right? If you have like, intelligence and coding or something. Also, Hero's asking if he could join.
Um. Let me format it differently though.
Format what differently?
Oh. It's just this the description for this.
Oh yeah, right.
Hmm. I don't know. That looks awkward.
Crazy. Anyways, Kirby is now also asking if he could join.
Eh.
Eh,
I'm gonna do one other person per stream. I'm not gonna like. I can't.
I don't think Bro can shuffle like 20 people in one stream. Is what he's trying to say. Well, not 20 people. That's an over exaggeration. That's hyperbole.
We got it. We got the thing.
I see something, but I may not want to ruin your stream.
I'm scared. Don't ruin the stream. Don't even tell
Just
me.
look at it. Just look at it. Your other screen. Just look at it on your other screen. It should be fine, right? Who's Gerby? Boing. I love boing. I love when it boing.
What?
What do you mean what?
Nothing.
I love when the Gerby gerbs.
Probably credit Troy in too. I will eventually put it in here.
Oh my
What
god.
do you mean when is the
Kirby, what
mage
the freak?
stream?
Kirby, what the freak?
What do you mean when's the mage stream? What?
Bro, dumbs.
Why is it doing
I'm
that?
not gonna speak any further.
That's diabolical. That's absolutely diabolical. Yeah, the stream's delayed by like 20 seconds. Hold on, let me check something. Um, what?
Well, what?
No.
What do you mean nothing?
Okay. We should, yeah, let's code Kinito. Let's code, why do I keep calling it KinitoPET? It's not KinitoPET. I don't even know what KinitoPET is, guys. scratchypet is
This
what
is
it's called.
Squatch. This is the Squatch Quat.
Stop asking for me in a maid dress. I beg of you.
Nah, that's insane.
Okay.
Kirby, stop asking for diabolical things.
Wait.
I'll never get used to the name Y Guy unless he changes his profile to something else. Like, I kept on calling him Pixel whenever he was Kirby. Now I'm calling him Kirby whenever he's Y Guy.
Okay, I think this button shouldn't disappear now. Okay. Anyway, I'm
What
getting
does
distracted.
the smiling emoji thing? It's kind of scaring me.
The what emoji?
The smiling emoji, not the smile emoticon, but the smile emoji. You know the one where it's like, it seems dead on the inside.
Oh no, I'm looking in chat now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bow.
Me when I'm being blinded. Eyes. I love how I said that while playing Sonic Speed Simulator, and you had like light mode on Scratch. And so it kind of, went together. 2 and 2.
I like this design a lot over the old one. It's not that much changed, but I like this one.
I think he might like that design a lot.
Like, I think he looks cute and creepy at the same time, which is good. That's crazy. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
Isn't the cute and creepy essential for like the mascot horror thing?
Yes.
Yeah.
It should be able to be viewed as both.
I say it in a tone like I know what I'm saying, but I really don't know what I'm saying.
You're
But
hard.
maybe I know, but I'm unsure. I know close to everything, but I don't. But I always forget what I know, so I seem stupid half the time.
No way, I just have an idea. I just had an idea. You know how when you
What is
lift up a
your
sprite,
crazy
there's like a
idea?
drop shadow? There's a little shadow,
Drop
you
shadow
know?
what? Ball drop shadow?
No, look, the shadow. It's normally not there when you drag sprites. What if it was
Shadow!
just, what if there was a
Shadow!
default one?
Shadow!
Get out. Get the freak out.
Nuh-uh. I'm not gonna get out.
Okay, so I'm gonna center this and then we can get started actually working on it.
Me waiting until you break and then just give up PKSR so I can take custody.
You're absolutely not taking custody of my child.
Bruh,
That will never happen.
you gotta be kidding me, man. What the freak? Gulp. Sprite and dyed Sprite taste the same. Prove me wrong.
Isn't that the point?
I don't know. My father said that he got dyed Sprite so that I wouldn't drink the dyed Sprite because it's diet, but they taste the same. It's not even that bad. I don't know what tongue. He's trying to make me not like it, but I love it.
I'll just try it. Okay.
I think Y Guy just changed their profile picture midstream. You're a colorful bunch. That's the best Shadow impression I could do. Wait, you're a colored bunch. I can do a really good Sonic impression. God damn it, I got caught by the police. I say as I get tased. They tase me all areas.
You don't need to specify it.
I'm not even specifying it that much. I'm just saying
We don't
all
need, I'm saying we
areas.
don't need to specify which areas.
I
Okay.
never mentioned which area, dumb. What are you thinking? Dumbs, I might have old man syndrome.
No, on.
Yeah, huh?
Look at the body. Behead the cat.
Me coughing, Haminations moment.
Could also take the legs and separate them as well. Yeah, why not? This will be fun for the drag effect. It's not gonna be fun to code, but why not?
Dumbs. Dumbs, where's the music at?
What do you mean? It's way too many variables in this version.
I wonder if they can hear me excessively chewing.
Well, I can't hear it because you probably had no suppression on.
I do whatever. Huh? I'm doing so hard. Smooth Dumbs, I think Dumbs might be locking in. Excuse me. Dumbs, are you locking in? I might have got a rare Roblox bug. For some reason, my UI did not pop up for some reason. Well, the game UI did pop up, but the Roblox chat and settings UI did not pop up at all. I could not like find the settings at all. I had to like close out of Roblox. Well, not really close. Well, like yeah, close. Like click the X button. Nums, I need to tell you something.
Mm.
I am the one who knocks.
Get out.
I have the longest legs in all of leg. Oh, my mic can pick up me slightly breathing. I need to raise my mic thing. Zoinks. Okay, this should work. I see that face and they go. Dumbs, I need to tell you something. I see that face and I go. I cannot give up that meme.
Seriously, why is this computer lagging so much?
Oh, should have 3 AM. We kissed.
Hello? Hello? Hold on. I'm not hearing you, by the way. I didn't mean to leave call. I didn't know that I did. What is happening? I may or may not have to leave stream. I don't know why, but my computer's acting up right now. I can't hear anything my friend's saying on call. So, unless it's just the headphones, I don't know why. So I might just have to restart my PC, meaning the stream is probably going to end. Well, see ya. I'm gonna just restart my computer.